And that one right there, guys, is your beautiful dash ram 1500. Beautiful truck, but guys, it has cloth. It needs leather for sure. Welcome guys. And you are looking at the 2022 Dodge Ram 1500 new body, guys. This particular kit, guys, will fit the 2019 to 2025, the Big Horn, the Warlock, the Laramie, the Crew Cab, the TRX, the Limited, Tradesman, and the Quad Cab. Guys, and we have this virtually available for any vehicle. Please inquire. And guys, this is not your sliding seat cover. This is upholstery work. It means it's the same way that the factory build it for their cars. It's just you're gonna save hundreds of dollars, if not thousands, depends on the configuration that you get. And guys, let me show you what you're gonna get. You have the two front buckets if that's your configuration, the headrest, the center console, guys, the 4-door panels. These are the pieces for the panels. And you're also gonna have the rear seat, guys. This is the split 60/40. It has an armrest in this case right here, guys, and the two headrests and one integrated headrest over there. And like I say, guys, this is exactly like the factory did it. It has the airbag system, the guidance system that it's supposed to have. Some people doesn't tell you that. These things comes with a reinforcements right there. These airbags reinforcement, very important, guys. Your map pockets in the back. And I know, guys, it looks like crap because it's loose, it's out of the box. But once these things are installed, they look beautiful. I want you to see the before and after picture so you can appreciate this upholstery work, guys. And again, we have it in about over 60 different colors and combinations, guys. Special editions, exotic materials like ostrich, alligator, suede skins, you name it, pipings, diamonds, double diamond, hex, double hex, all available at LeatherTeck.com by OEM-style, guys. If you want to take it to the next level, guys, because some of these trucks, like in this case, it doesn't have a temperature control, you can get your Degreez system, 3 levels of heating and 3 levels of cooling in one little switch, guys. You want this? Please inquire about the cost. This is our top of the line, but if that's too much for you guys, at least get your regular seat heater so you are not shivering in the winter. You want to be cozy and warm, guys, so get at least your heaters. That's very affordable. Please inquire about the cost. One last thing, guys, you want to save hundreds of dollars on your next order, get to LeatherTeck.com and fill up that form, guys. It takes less than a minute, so you can unlock exclusive specials, prices, and discounts only available for the people in the list, guys. Why? Because we cannot publish those prices, guys. It's only available if you are in that particular club. You want to save hundreds? Go there, guys. LeatherTeck.com by OEM-style. Have questions? Please put it in the comments. Make an inquiry, guys. Go to LeatherTeck. We have our chat bot right there, so you can contact us. We can assist you with the buying process, guys. Like and subscribe, guys, so you can see more transformations, techniques, and how we do your beautiful leather seats at LeatherTeck.com by OEM-style, guys, because we are demystifying the installation process is not that difficult. Thank you for watching, guys, and again, put it in the comments if you have any questions. I want to help you, or visit LeatherTeck.com. Thank you, guys. And that's how beautiful it looks now that it's finished.